Hello students, this is actually the final video regarding a sum dealing with finding the time of a place located at an antipode. Now, if you look at this sum, when the local time of Kolkata, the latitude and longitude is given, longitude is 88 degree 30 minute east, 22 degree 30 minute north, this is actually latitude, was 8 am on Sunday the 1st March 2020. What was the time, day and date at its antipode? Now, if you have studied the antipode earlier, I sent a video slide. If you have studied it, you should remember antipodes are the two places which are located exactly diametrically opposite to one another, and the time difference between a place and its antipode is always 12 hours. So, here without doing the सम करने से पहले हमें इसका आंसर मालूम है. अगर ये 8 AM है तो एंटीपोड का टाइम 8 PM होगा, but we just cannot write it. We have to actually show it. Now here what we have to do first is to write antipode of Kolkata. Antipode of Kolkata. To find out the antipode, if you remember, we should always subtract it from 180 degree. 180 degree minus 88 degree 30 minutes. If you subtract it, if you remember the procedure, 180 degree 88 degree 30 minutes. हम लोग इसको गलती ना हो, we could have write 179 and 1 degree is transferred here, 88 degree 30, now 30, 91 degree 30 minute. That will be the antipode of Kolkata. So 91 degree 30 minute west is the antipode of Kolkata. Now we have to make the chart. Kolkata, the information that is given, 88 degree 30 minute east, time 8 AM, Sunday 1 March 2020. Now here it will be antipode of Kolkata, or you can write Kolkata's antipode. Kolkata's antipode, 91 degree 30 minute west, and we have to find out the time, day and date. Now hereafter it is exactly the sum by which we have studied how to find out the time. जैसा टाइम निकालने वाला सम था, exactly अब वही है. Now the first thing we will write longitudinal difference between Kolkata and its antipode. That will be 91 degree 30 minute. As they are located in different hemisphere, हमें इसको प्लस करना है. 88 degree 30 minute, इन दोनों का अगर प्लस करें तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल कम 180 डिग्री. अब जो टाइम वाला सम का जो हम लोग लिखते थे 1 डिग्री longitude means a difference of 4 minutes. Therefore, 180-degree longitude means a difference of 180 into 4 minutes is equal to 720 minutes or 12 hours. By dividing it by 60 से डिवाइड करने से मालूम चल जाता है. Now we have to give a statement obviously, since the antipode of Kolkata is located to its west, therefore its time will be behind. Time at antipode is equal to 8 AM. कोलकाता का जो टाइम दिया हुआ था that is 8 AM minus 12 hours is equal to 8 PM. Now क्योंकि टाइम पीछे है तो obviously day and date also will be 1 day behind. The day and date will be 1 day behind. That is day Saturday, date will be 29 February 2020. Since obviously it was a leap year था इसलिए 29. Keep this thing normally in mind. ये मैंने पिछले उसमें भी बोला था, normally जो डेट दिया रहता है इसी तरह का या तो दिसंबर जनवरी का दिया रहेगा या फरवरी मार्च का दिया रहेगा ताकि ये लीप ईयर का ये सब में चक्कर में गलती ना कर जाओ. I hope you are now clear with this all the different kind of sums. Please practice these sums regularly in your home. जितना भी दिया हुआ है बुक में ये सब प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. मैं भी कुछ सम तुम लोग के लिए दे रहा हूं. Do practice it because all of you know practice makes a man perfect. जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही ये सब सम इजी लगेगा. अगर ये सोच रहे हो कि एक बार एग्जाम के पहले देखेंगे तब तो हो चुका, वैसा नहीं होता है. हमेशा प्रैक्टिस करो और ये सबसे इजी टाइप ऑफ सम से अगर तुम्हें आता है तो ये मुश्किल से तुम्हें एग्जाम में 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेगा. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय.